Did you know Nazi Germany almost destroyed Britain's economy using the world's most perfect counterfeit money? Operation Bernhard was Hitler's secret plan to crash the British pound by flooding the market with fake currency. But they needed the best forgers in the world to pull it off, so the Nazis gathered 142 Jewish prisoners at Sachsenhausen concentration camp and forced them to become counterfeiters. These men had no choice but to create the most flawless fake money ever made. Working under threat of death, they produced over £130 million in counterfeit Bank of England notes. Their forgeries were so perfect that even the Bank of England couldn't tell them apart from real currency. The fake bills had every security feature, every watermark, every detail exactly right. Germany was ready to flood Britain with worthless paper and watch their economy collapse. But here's the twist that saved Britain's financial system. The operation failed because Nazi Germany itself collapsed first. The perfect crime was stopped by history itself.